Hello happy souls, this is my third restoration project, this time with Suzuki Samurai. We are in unboxing part 6 footrest assembly, the front one and the rear one. Let's begin with the rear one first, and this is from Sonam brand, a house of quality products. They are given some safety instructions, and this is basically a Ludhiana based company, and the pricing is rupees 83. This is specially for Samurai, and this pricing is Jan month 2024 pricing. It may vary depending upon the seller and the distributor, and this is like cylindrical round type. I prefer boxy type, which comes in Splendor and Yamaha Gladiator, the front part, and some other models, because I feel that has more grip than this one. And inside it, it is like a cylindrical metal part. It is rounded and wrapped with the rubber housing, and this is it. Likewise, it is for the other side. And talking about the quality, it is okay. I don't know which brand I bought for the Suzuki Max 100 or my previous first project, and it was good. And this is the second one, the front footrest assembly. This is from SJ Swati Sales from Theni, that is in Tamil Nadu. The pricing is rupees 54, and this is like I like 65% okay, because after some years it got damaged at the bottom. When I applied too much pressure, it got damaged at the bottom, and other than that, the rubber quality is okay. It is a bit oily, no, and overall these are all the products. Thank you.